Welcome to Royal Corporation, Chennai, supplier of industrial cutting, measuring, lifting, and magnetic tools. The company was incorporated in 2007. At Chennai, international quality standards and streamlined business practices make us stand apart from all brands. Maximum customer satisfaction, easy fitting, and installation are some of the key factors behind our success. We offer a wide assortment of industrial hand, cutting, and torque tools. Our surface plates, machine tools, and grinders are widely acclaimed in the market. We offer hoists, indicators, and micrometer that are superior in performance. Measuring, striking, and struck tools offered by us are best in the industry amongst others. Along with that, we offer wood chisels, pry, and claw bars that are a class apart. We also provide anti-vibe layout tools and specialty hammers that are some of our best-selling products. To know more about us, please visit our website www.royalcorporation.in.